Hi beautiful king and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are coming across our video, thank you so much for clicking in on today's video. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the 4 ingredients I use on my baby hair. Like, it really work amazing on her hair. Before, her hair was no going area, so I just decided to cut off her hair because it was not looking great. Whenever I pack her hair with rubber bands, when I remove it, everything will just fell off. When she sleep on her bed, you will see the next morning all her hair will be on her pillow. So I just cut it off. Since then I'll be using this product on her hair, like sometimes once in 2 weeks. It's really working great for her. So just watch the way I'm going to be mixing these 4 ingredients that I'll be using for her hair. It's like it make her hair dark, moisturize. It's so cool on her hair. You can try it out. Everything is just natural. So keep watching and I hope you enjoy watching. So I'm going to be blending everything. Now I've already put my banana and this is my avocado. As you can see, I'm putting the avocado. So I just want the avocado to be mush. I need mush avocado. This is how I normally do it. I let the avocado to be more than the banana. So the next product I'm going to be using is my castor oil. So this is the castor oil. I'm just going to be dropping a little tip on the banana and avocado. I want it to be mixed very well. So the main thing that is making me using this oil, I will let you guys know, because the next thing is coconut pure oil. So I'm just going to be putting 1 spoon. So why I'm using these 2 oil, you guys know banana, when you use it as a hair mask, it will stick to your hair. So I notice whenever I put this oil, it make it not stick. I wash it away, everything go off. So if you understand what I'm talking about, it has really helped me a lot. This oil, it don't make the banana stick to the hair. Yeah. So from here guys, I'm going to be putting it in the bowl. So keep watching and watch the process, how I achieve everything. So guys, this is it. So I'm just going to comb it one more time and I will leave it for some time before I wash it away. She's just going to play with it like this. So I'm just going to do some things. I will leave it like this. When I want to take a shower, I will wash it off. Yeah. So guys, now it's time for me to take my baby shower, so I want to wash it off her hair.
Start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. Burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by. Take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door. What's one morning laying up? Let's sleep in on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on us.
So guys, this is it. As you can see, the hair is bouncy and like nothing removed from the hair. Like this hair mask is so great. You can try it out if you have been looking for what to use on your baby hair. It's so, the hair is like moisturized. From here, I will just put some coiling gel and you will see how it's done. It's so great.
Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just
So guys, this is how it look after putting some jelly coil. You can see it's bouncy. Bye guys, see you guys on our next video.